Canola oil versus vegetable oil? If you're like most people, you probably use either canola oil or vegetable oil in your cooking. But which one is the healthier option? In this video, we're going to compare canola oil and vegetable oil and discuss their respective health benefits and drawbacks. Canola oil. Canola oil is a popular vegetable oil that is derived from the seeds of the canola plant, which is a member of the Brassica family. It is a rich source of heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, including alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, and omega-3 fatty acid that can help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Canola oil also contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help protect cells from damage. Advantages: high in heart-healthy fats that can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Contains ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that can help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help protect cells from damage. Has a neutral flavor and high smoke point, making it versatile for cooking. Disadvantages: may contain small amounts of erucic acid, which has been linked to heart problems in high doses. However, canola oil sold in the US and Canada is bred to be low in erucic acid. Processing methods may involve chemical solvents and high heat, which can reduce nutrient content and introduce harmful compounds. Some people may be allergic to canola oil. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is a generic term that refers to any oil that is derived from plants. It is typically made from a blend of different plant-based oils, including soybean, corn, sunflower, or palm oil. Vegetable oil is low in saturated fat and high in polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, which can help improve heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It also contains vitamin E and other nutrients. Advantages: low in saturated fat and high in heart-healthy polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. Contains vitamin E and other nutrients, inexpensive and widely available. Disadvantages: often made from a blend of oils, which may include soybean, corn, sunflower, or palm oil, the latter of which has been linked to deforestation and environmental concerns. Processing methods may involve chemical solvents and high heat, which can reduce nutrient content and introduce harmful compounds. Overall, both canola oil and vegetable oil can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation and in their unprocessed form. However, canola oil may be a slightly better choice due to its higher content of heart-healthy fats and lower levels of potentially harmful compounds. It's important to choose high-quality, minimally processed oils and to balance your intake of different types of fats to promote overall health. Additionally, using oils in moderation and in conjunction with a well-rounded diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help support optimal health and well-being. Did you like the tip? Did you enjoy the video? Then please like, share, and follow us so that we can make more videos like this. See you in the next video.